So a lot of these have crystallized over time. Some of them have not. I know the darker honey crystallizes faster than the lighter, but I got some like damn near invisible stuff that's it's all the way solidified. But I could be an extra year old or two. I don't really keep good track because honey lasts forever. So this, it's cool. It's like a lava lamp. In the 90s, you could smoke weed and just stare at that for hours. So fucking kids did before the internet. I'd imagine the 70s and 80s were worse. Or better, depending how you think about it. You know, imagination and whatnot. This one's got a little crystal at what should be the bottom. That part's solid. And this one, there it goes. I can see the bottom 1 inch and a half is crystallized. Looks like mercury. Someone who grew up in the 90s, I could sit here and watch this bullshit all day. But I got work to do.